Hello, good morning, everyone. How are you all?
Good morning, ma'am.
Very good morning, ma'am.
How was your weekend?
It was great.
Try to expand your answer.
And I had great weekend.
Mm-hmm.
It was we went for shopping and have get together with friends.
Great. What about others?
Weekend was good, but it's a little bit more hotter.
Sorry. Yes, Saira. How
It
was
was
your
good. My weekend was good, but nowadays it's hotter than before. Weather is going to be hot.
Okay. What about others? How was your weekend? Yes, Anam.
My weekend was too busy because my mother was not well. I was in a hospital, and after all, I have completed my domestic chores. Then
Okay.
all this.
Okay. Just take care of your mother.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. No worries. So, everyone, as we are into the writing module, आज के सेशन का गोल है दैट वी विल लर्न अबाउट अ वेरी एसेंशियल स्किल विच इज पैराफ्रेजिंग. अब पैराफ्रेजिंग करने के देर आर डिफरेंट मेथड्स, बट वन ऑफ द मेथड इज सिनोनिम रिप्लेसमेंट, जो आप सबको पता है कि जब हम वोकैब को अपग्रेड करते हैं तो हम पैराफ्रेजिंग करते हैं, राइट? आर यू ऑल अवेयर अबाउट सिनोनिम रिप्लेसमेंट, राइट?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
By the end of the session, you will be able to understand कि paraphrasing होती क्या है, how we will replace the common words with the accurate synonym so that there will be no repetition in your answers. Plus, you will be able to improve your lexical resource ka score, and you will be able to rewrite your questions naturally without changing the meaning. And you will also use band 7 plus vocabulary confidently, right? So हम better introductions create करेंगे for our writing task too. This session will also focus on the natural vocabulary usage. So remember this thing, हम vocabulary right context में natural way में use करेंगे. We will also practice some IELTS examples and the answers also. Some statements from the question प्लस उनके आंसर्स भी. ओके, सो बिफोर स्टार्टिंग द सेशन, किसी को कोई डाउट है, कोई क्वेरी है तो प्लीज लेट मी नो. वनीता, आई हैव योर ओनली ईमेल आईडी, देयर इज नो फोन नंबर. You have a test tomorrow. Please let me know what's your contact details. Your phone number is not available on the portal. Only your ID is there. Virdi Vanita 645, right? So that,
Yes, ma'am.
yeah.
I will check it, ma'am.
Yes, so you can just drop it here to me on a
Okay,
personal chat. Okay?
okay, ma'am. Okay, okay,
Yes.
ma'am.
Hmm. You're available tomorrow, right, for the test?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so drop your contact details, please. Yes, anyone? किसी को कोई भी डाउट है, कोई क्वेरी है? रेहान, कौन सा टेस्ट आप पूछ रहे हो, प्लीज? थैंक यू विनीता. रेहान, स्पीकिंग का मॉक टेस्ट. वी हैव डन स्पीकिंग के मॉक टेस्ट जो स्पीकिंग की क्लासेस के टाइम पर होते हैं. अगर आपको एंटायर स्पीकिंग टेस्ट देना है, दैट मीन्स द एंटायर 15 मिनट्स, तो आप एप्लीकेशन में बुक कर सकते हो वो टेस्ट. आपको डेट और स्लॉट दोनों टाइमिंग्स बुक करने होंगे, देन यू कैन हैव योर स्पीकिंग का मॉक टेस्ट. ओके?
Excuse me,
यस प्लीज.
ma'am. If do you have summary of all speaking parts means structure?
We have all the
Can,
classes uploaded in the application, Ruxana.
yes, ma'am. You have loaded it. I also took classes, but in some classes I was on job, so I couldn't take notes.
Huh, so what you
Because
can do is, Ruxana, just have a look on those classes. The classes you
okay,
missed out, just rewatch those classes.
okay,
Okay?
ma'am. Thank you.
Yes.
Good morning, ma'am. How are you?
Good morning, Ikra. I'm very well. How about you?
I'm good, ma'am. Ma'am, you look gorgeous today.
Thank you so much. Sandeep, you have booked your exam for 23rd of May. How many classes did you attend? Good morning, Aryan. Sandeep, today is your first class. That is why I am asking. Today is your first class and your exam is on 23rd of May. How will you get your score? Good morning, Aryan. Good morning, Tanvi, Shah, Mazu. So guys, अगर आपका exam 23rd of May का है, you are left with very few days. I'm really sorry, but we have already done the speaking module. Writing module अब चल रहा है. Please, what you can do is just rewatch the videos. Okay, Sandeep, no problem. But you can watch our classes. Okay? Okay, everyone. Now let's start the synonym replacement. Okay. Now tell me, what is paraphrasing? You must have known about what is paraphrasing. आप सब लोग try करते होगे.
Yes, ma'am.
Same idea in different meanings without changing the meaning.
Yes, exactly. Paraphrasing का मतलब क्या होता है कि जब हम अपने सेंटेंस के मीनिंग को चेंज नहीं करेंगे, वर्ड्स को चेंज करेंगे, मीनिंग को चेंज नहीं करेंगे, और वर्ड्स भी ऐसे चेंज करेंगे कि उसका मीनिंग चेंज ना हो. नाउ रिमेंबर वन थिंग, जब भी आप ऐसे लिखते हो, ऐसे में सबसे पहली चीज आप क्या लिखते हो?
Paraphrasing.
यस, पैराफ्रेजिंग.
Statement.
ऐसे पैराफ्रेजिंग लिखते हो, बट व्हाट इज द फर्स्ट थिंग यू राइट?
General statement.
Statement को paraphrase करते हैं.
Thank you.
हेलो, हु इज स्पीकिंग? ममता, प्लीज म्यूट रखा करो जब बात करते हो तो. यस. सो पैराफ्रेजिंग में, और इफ आई से जब राइटिंग टास्क 2 लिखते हैं, सबसे पहले क्या लिखते हैं हम?
General statement.
Some starting line.
Introduction.
इट्स द इंट्रोडक्शन. एग्जामिनर सबसे पहले क्या पढ़ेगा आपके ऐसे में? आपका इंट्रोडक्शन,
Yes, ma'am.
राइट? और इंट्रोडक्शन का फर्स्ट सेंटेंस क्या होता है? इट्स द पैराफ्रेजिंग ऑफ योर क्वेश्चन. करते हो उसे पैराफ्रेज आप सब?
Yes,
अगर
ma'am.
आप उसे कॉपी पेस्ट कर दोगे,
Add some starting lines.
इफ यू जस्ट कॉपी पेस्ट दैट क्वेश्चन, आप अटके रहोगे उसी बैंड 5 पे. बट अगर आप उसे पैराफ्रेज करते हो स्मार्टली, यू आर एक्चुअली ओपनिंग द गेट्स फॉर बैंड 7, 8, 9. सो आज का जो सेशन है ना, इट्स ऑल अबाउट जस्ट रिक्रिएटिंग योर स्टेटमेंट्स. वो आपकी पैराफ्रेजिंग, दैट मीन्स आपके इंट्रो की भी हो सकती है, बॉडी पैराग्राफ्स की भी हो सकती है. अब इंट्रोडक्शन इज द फर्स्ट इंप्रेशन टू द एग्जामिनर. स्ट्रॉन्ग इंट्रोडक्शन लिखोगे, एग्जामिनर विल फील दैट द स्टूडेंट इज रियली कॉन्फिडेंट, गुड कंट्रोल है उसका ओवर द इंग्लिश. वीक इंट्रोडक्शन लिखोगे, बेसिक वोकैबुलरी, लिमिटेड रेंज ऑफ वोकैबुलरी होगी बैंड 5 और 6. सो कॉपी करना बंद करो क्वेश्चन को. यू नीड टू जस्ट पैराफ्रेज स्मार्टली, जिससे आपका स्कोर इंस्टेंटली बूस्ट होता है. इंट्रोडक्शन का पैराग्राफ सबसे पहला पैराग्राफ है, फर्स्ट इंप्रेशन है एग्जामिनर पे कि आप कैसे लिख रहे हो. पैराफ्रेजिंग इज रियली इक्वल टू दैट फर्स्ट 30 seconds ऑफ योर स्कोर. आइल्स में राइटिंग मॉड्यूल हो या स्पीकिंग मॉड्यूल हो, ये जो स्किल है ना, ये आपके लेक्सिकल रिसोर्स को शो करती है और आपको हेल्प करती है सो दैट यू कैन अवॉइड एनी रेपिटेशन. नाउ रिमेंबर वन थिंग, पैराफ्रेजिंग करने की बहुत सारी स्ट्रैटेजीज हैं जो मैं आपको अपकमिंग सेशन में कराऊंगी. आज हम फर्स्ट स्ट्रैटेजी करेंगे, दैट इज सिनोनिम रिप्लेसमेंट. एक चीज याद रखो, पैराफ्रेजिंग का सिर्फ और सिर्फ मतलब ओनली सिनोनिम्स नहीं होता. आई नो देयर आर लॉट ऑफ स्टूडेंट जिनको सिर्फ पैराफ्रेजिंग में एक ही मतलब पता है कि सिनोनिम्स को ऐड कर दो और पैराफ्रेजिंग हो गई. नो, real paraphrasing means when you change the order of the words, when you change the structure of the statement. So there is active passive, there is noun verb conversion, there is complex sentences, there are conditionals also. So there are different ways to do the paraphrasing. अब ये बताओ synonym replacement क्या होता है? How many of you know about synonym replacement? We did talked about it. Yes.
Ma'am, instead of students, we can write scholars like those things.
So
Using
synonym
different word.
replacement. It means replacing the important words in the question with accurate words that have the same meaning without changing the idea. You change vocabulary, but you do not change meaning. और राइटिंग टास्क 2 में ये इसीलिए इंपॉर्टेंट है बिकॉज ये आपकी वोकैबुलरी रेंज को दिखाता है. इट शोज that you're not copying the same question. You're showing your vocabulary range. You're sounding more academic here. Right? Remember, synonyms alone are not enough for band 7. सिर्फ synonym change करने से आपको band 7 नहीं मिलेगा. But this is one of the strategy जो हम apply करेंगे. There are 5 more जिनके साथ हम paraphrasing करेंगे. Now remember one thing, there are rules for paraphrasing. Now what are those rules? Yes, किसी को पता है हमें क्या ध्यान रखना चाहिए paraphrasing करते हुए?
Ma'am, we should not change the meaning of the sentence.
Exactly. Now suppose, let me give you an example. This is a sentence. Children should attend school. Now, I got an answer from one of the students. He did the paraphrasing and he gave me this answer. Is this correct? Yes. How many of you says it is correct?
Uh, no, I think there should not be must because
academy can be anything. It doesn't only refer to school.
And here it is should, must, depart, attend. So do
Ma'am, there
not
should
replace any word blindly, I would say. You need to look for the natural synonym, the right context to use it. Now, if I say this, let me give more example. Numerous individuals use cell phones regularly. And if you write this,
No.
is
Meaning
this
that we
okay?
change. No, no.
So the meaning is changed.
Yeah, the meaning is changed. Now, this is the live example I got from the students who did the paraphrasing. So, is this correct? No, these are
No.
not correct. The meaning is changed here and the synonym added here are not academically correct. So you should show your vocabulary range but in the right context. सबसे पहला स्टेप यही है कि आप अपने कीवर्ड्स को आइडेंटिफाई करो. ग्रामर वर्ड्स को इग्नोर करो. द इज दैट ऑन. यू शुड फोकस ऑन द कंटेंट वर्ड्स फर्स्ट. राइट? ओरिजिनल सेंटेंस आपका क्या है क्वेश्चन में, उसमें आपके कीवर्ड्स क्या है. वेदर इट्स टेक्नोलॉजी, वेदर इट्स सेल फोन, वेदर इट्स इंडिविजुअल, चिल्ड्रन, you will be replacing it very carefully. Now suppose if we have a common word people, what is a better synonym for it?
Individual.
Individual, citizens. Children, what about
Younger.
Sorry?
Younger. Youth.
Yes.
Adolescent.
Yes. But it depends to the age group also, remember this thing. Important.
Significant.
Compulsory. Beneficial, vital, and crucial.
How come important is compulsory, Anam?
Essential.
Essential.
Beneficial, vital, crucial.
Yes. What about, no, it will come under good. Beneficial, positive, these are good. Bad. Okay, I'm writing also for you that you people remember. So when it comes to good, it's beneficial. You should be using it in the right context. Please, you need to look at your statement. Important, crucial, significant. What about bad? We did that.
Evil.
Unacceptable.
Adverse
That
effects.
is not unacceptable. Please, you need to look at your sentence. It's harmful, negative. Help,
Negative.
Frontal.
help,
Assist.
assist. Yes. You will be using it in the right context. ये statement पे depend करता है. Problem,
Issue. Enhance. Issue.
issue, challenges.
H.
Change. What about
Transform.
change?
Transform. Transmute. Transform.
Alter, evolve,
Transition.
transform. Yes.
Modify.
These are the basic one जो आपको याद रखने हैं, because you will come across, you will not use good, bad, these words, a lot of, very, very, so we will not use it. ठीक है? ये आपको याद रखना है कि जब भी हम synonym replacement करेंगे, we will look for the same meaning. Meaning अगर आपने change करा, your sentences change. आपने paraphrasing नहीं करी. Now suppose if we say people are eating more junk food. Can I say people love burgers?
Individual are eating must.
No, I'm not asking. I'm just asking you to look at these two statements. People are eating more junk food. People love burgers.
No,
Why
The
no?
meanings change.
No, why meaning is
completely two different things.
Junk
Ma'am,
food is
we are here talking about
People
only
are
one
eating
specific
junk food.
junk
It can
food.
be like maybe they are. It's not necessary that they love the junk food.
Yeah. When people are consuming,
no. I think it's correct.
Ma'am, actually, in the second sentence, we are talking about a specific junk food rather than the whole.
Exactly.
In the first, we are
The
talking.
more junk food is a broader term, whereas we are just talking about a particular, that is burger, a specific one. So the meaning is changed, right? Now please, एक चीज और याद रखेंगे कि we will not replace the every word. ऐसा नहीं करेंगे कि सिनोनिम रिप्लेसमेंट करते टाइम हम हर वर्ड को चेंज करें, तो वो बहुत ही अननेचुरल सा लगता है, रोबोटिक सा लगता है. So please ऐसे नहीं करना आपको. You should, I'll always prefer a clear and a natural academic English. बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट्स हैं जो गूगल ट्रांसलेट वाली वोकैबुलरी को भी यूज करते हैं. प्लीज मत करो. ऐसे ऐसे वर्ड्स आके बोलते हैं. मल्टीपल मॉर्टल्स ओपाइन दैट, मेनी ह्यूमंस एज्यूम दैट. सो प्लीज ऐसे अननेचुरल वर्ड्स ना बोलना, ना ट्राई करना. आप सिंपल एकेडमिक, अगर आप पीपल को इंडिविजुअल्स बोलते हो दैट इज फाइन. पीपल को मल्टीपल मॉर्टल्स, नो. ऐसे आंसर्स रीड करके ना लिटरली वी थिंक कि क्या कर रहे हो आप लोग. प्लीज ऐसे नहीं करना है. ओके, यू कैन यूज दीज सिंपल वर्ड. एक ही ऐसे आएगा. पीपल की जगह अगर इंडिविजुअल्स लिख दिया, सिटीजन लिख लिया, इट्स इनफ. ठीक है, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. यू शुड फोकस ऑन द अदर थिंग कि आप जो आइडिया जनरेशन कर रहे हो, जो आइडिया लिख रहे हो, उसे डेवलप कर रहे हो या नहीं कर रहे. राइट?
Yes.
So let's do some practice. Many people think social media is harmful. Try to change only the vocab here, only the synonym replacement.
Ma'am, a few individuals think social media is harmful.
Sorry?
Several individuals
One by
believe.
one, wait. Who said first?
Individual
A few individuals
Social
think
platforms.
that social media is harmful.
आपने तो फिर few individuals ही करा ना इस part को. What about the other? Yes.
numerous individual believe social media is dangerous, and we can use all. We can also change social media.
हाँ, तो work on collocations ना. social media को क्या लिख सकते हैं हम?
Digital tools.
Networking platforms.
Yes, social media platforms, social
yes,
networking platforms. जब आपको लगता है, अब नाउ अगर मैं सोचूं कि सोशल मीडिया को और क्या बोल सकते हैं, मतलब आपके पास एग्जाम में इतना टाइम नहीं होगा. जस्ट स्टार्ट वर्किंग ऑन द कॉलोकेशंस. कॉलोकेशंस तो आपको आती है ना? यस.
Yes, ma'am.
What about others? Many people think social media is harmful.
Few individuals believe social.
Start looking in the chunks. Many people, you can say large number of people, numerous individuals, right? You cannot say few. आप few नहीं बोल सकते because here it is many. So remember this. Few is few and many the same?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
No,
तो
no.
प्लीज ये चीजें आपको ध्यान रखनी है कि जब आप पैराफ्रेजिंग करो, few is actually used for a small number of countable things, right? But अगर हम many की बात करते हैं, it's a large number. Many books. Few books means we are talking about less, a small number. So remember this thing. कोई भी ऐसा नहीं करेगा. जैसे अभी I guess संदीप ने दिया था ये example few people thing. तो remember, paraphrasing has to be correct. Many people think social media is harmful. अब social media की बात है, look for the collocations. Social media है, social media platform कर दो, online platform कर दो, social networking site करो. Harmful क्या होता है? अभी हमने
Adverse
bad,
effect.
harmful, negative. We did that.
Detrimental.
Negative,
Detrimental.
detrimental.
You can say
Detrimental
negative.
impact.
अब नेगेटिव ऐसा तो नहीं लिख सकते सोशल मीडिया इज नेगेटिव. क्या लिखोगे?
Detrimental
Maybe
to
the
सकते
common
हैं मैम.
perception
Negatively
Has
is
adverse effect.
detrimental.
Okay, I'm writing one for you in a very simple way. We did only synonym replace. ठीक है?
ये बोल
You
सकते
can
हैं
add
social.
here. फिर हमें यहाँ पे चेंज करना पड़ेगा अगर हम प्लेटफॉर्म्स लिखेंगे तो. रिमेंबर दिस, ग्रामर आपको साथ साथ करेक्ट करनी है प्लीज. ओके, नाउ ये तो था सिनोनिम रिप्लेसमेंट. बट अगर हमें अपना स्ट्रक्चर भी चेंज करना हो, देन इफ आई से, जो हम अपने अपकमिंग सेशंस में करने वाले हैं, दिस इज व्हाट it is widely believed that, because the structures we are going to use in our writing task 2 is this. So first one, this is only vocabulary change. This is a structure change. Okay. तो आप जब अपने important words को with accurate alternative से change करोगे while keeping the meaning exactly same, this is what you are moving towards band 7. This is how you need to write your statements in the task 2. Let's do one more. We will be doing a lot of examples today, so that आप सबको intro की statements तो बहुत अच्छे से create करने आ जाएंगे. Yes, some people believe that technology makes life easier. How will you change it?
Few individuals think that digital tools make life easier.
Yes.
Some individuals opine that digital technology makes life more comfortable.
Yes. What about others?
It
अच्छा,
is
sum का meaning क्या होता है? What is the meaning of sum?
Maybe few.
Not exactly few.
Certain people.
Certain.
Yeah, exactly.
All.
Certain. An unspecified number basically. ठीक है? So some individuals, some people, certain people, जो भी आपको लिखना है, it's okay. Believe को आप think लिखो, argue लिखो, it's up to you. Technology के लिए collocation add कर दो, modern technology, technological advancement. अब life easier हो रही है, simplifies life, make daily life more convenient. Yes. What about others? Yes, please. जल्दी बताओ. How we can write it? It's a very simple statement. अगर question technology का आ जाता है, do you agree or disagree, आगे आपका question add हो जाएगा. So you can use technology.
Like
Technology को
some
replace
individual
करो.
believe.
Yes.
And we can say certain people argue.
Yes.
Ma'am,
I just said. Yes, please.
Uh, uh, a certain amount of people think that life is made by technology.
Life easier is made by technology.
Yes.
It is
Why?
believed by some.
Yes, Anna.
It is believed by some technological advancement make life more convenient.
It is believed by
Some
some kya?
people
It is believed by some people that technology,
advancement make life more convenient.
the technology ne technological advancement improves the quality of life.
Amen.
Certain individuals believe that modern technology has simplified people's life. Okay, next one.
Ma'am,
Now,
here if we can, it is believed that instead of without using some people, it is
mm-hmm.
then
Okay, you're
it
talking
is
about sentence structure.
yes, ma'am. It is believed
I
that
I just gave you an
advancement of
example, कुशल. अभी उस पे फोकस मत करो. जो अपकमिंग सेशंस होंगे उसमें डिटेल में करेंगे, ठीक है? अभी आज सिर्फ सिनोनिम.
okay.
I just gave you a demo. That's it. Nowadays, children spend too much time watching television. Yes.
Ma'am, in recent days, children,
Yes.
yeah, spend excessive amount of time to
Yes.
television, to watching television.
What did you say? Children?
Today's
Ma'am,
kids
Just
spend too
wait.
much.
Let one by one please speak. Otherwise, I'm not able to get anyone's answer. When one person is speaking, the other will be on mute. Yes. Ruxana was speaking or Ikra who was speaking?
Ma'am, Ruxana was speaking.
Yes, Ruxana.
Nowadays को हम replace करेंगे in recent days, these days.
Yeah, no problem. Yes, speak.
Kids are spending excessive time to watching TV, or kids are spending excessive time in front of TV, like that we can say.
अब watching television है, can you say they devote excessive time to watching TV programs or
Yes.
viewing television shows,
Okay.
right? Yes, Gaurav.
A significant portion of child's daily routine is consumed by television viewing.
Yes, please write it in the comment section.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Sandeep. It's better to raise your hand and then speak. Otherwise, I'm not able to get from anyone. Yes, Sandeep.
Ma'am, in modern era, kids spend a lot of time with television.
Sandeep, हम lot of का use नहीं करेंगे because it's again a very basic vocab. Yes, Shehnaz.
In recent days, you spend huge.
A little bit loud, Shehnaz, please.
10 day, you spend huge amount of time on TV screen.
But what did you use for children?
Youth.
Youth. Okay, yes. Youngsters, young people, children are spending an excessive amount of time in front of screen. Clear? Now let's look at other. Yes, Mauricio, this is for you. Children should learn practical skills at school. How will you paraphrase?
Yes, ma'am.
These are all task 2 का statement. ये सारे questions हैं. You just have another part of it. Yes.
Yes. Youngster must learn practical skills at academy.
So what did you use for learn and practical skills? It's same? What we can say for practical skills? Life skills,
Real life
real
skills.
world abilities, valuable skills.
Practical ability.
Yes.
Hands-on capabilities.
Yes. Okay. Yes, Kushal.
Scholars should enhance their real life skills at primary school.
You used enhance for learn.
Yes.
It's better to use acquire or develop.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay.
Children should develop or children should acquire the life skills, the hands-on abilities at educational institutions or schools. Okay, Sakshi, a
Ma'am, can we
statement.
use scholar?
Sorry?
Can we use scholar instead of children who are studying in school?
Yes, because they are talking about school. So you can even use scholars, you can use learners, you can use students. Even if it is a learner, it's a youngster or it's a kid, they are all scholars. They are all learners. Okay.
Ma'am,
Yes, Kushal.
okay, about trainees, like trainees.
Sorry?
Trainees, ma'am, trainees.
No.
Who learn from
Trainees.
no.
Trainees.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Kushal, वैसे trainees should not be used here because we are talking about school. ठीक है, तो trainee school की बात हो रही है तो it's like थोड़ा सा level कम हो जाता है. Otherwise we can use trainees.
मैम
Skill.
इस
Yes.
सेंटेंस में अगर हम इस सेंटेंस में यूज कर सकते हैं चिल्ड्रन की जगह स्कॉलर, बट नॉर्मली तो हम यूज
हाँ, वो एज ग्रुप हो जाता है ना. यस, एज ग्रुप हो जाता है. दैट इज व्हाट. क्योंकि स्कॉलर्स हम इसलिए यूज कर सकते हैं बिकॉज दे आर टॉकिंग अबाउट लर्निंग स्किल्स एट स्कूल. इसलिए
अगर हम लर्निंग की बात नहीं करेंगे तो फिर हम नहीं रिप्लेस कर सकते.
यस यस यस, फिर नहीं, फिर आप मत यूज करो बिकॉज स्कॉलर का मतलब ही क्या होता है? स्कॉलर का मतलब ही है द पर्सन हु स्टडीज डीपली. दैट इज अ स्कॉलर. हम बोलते हैं ना शी इज अ स्कॉलर ऑफ इंग्लिश लिटरेचर. Basically, scholar is a person who usually gets the scholarships or who is very good, who has that study deeply. वो scholars होता है. So that is why I'm saying that you can use learners. All are learners at school. Okay?
Good morning.
Okay, now next one.
Ma'am, please we use taught instead of run.
आप बताओ learn and taught same है?
नहीं मैम सेम.
बताओ कैसे यूज करोगे learn and taught? एग्जाम्पल दे दो. इट कैन बी सेम ऑल्सो. बताओ.
मैम
learn
चिल्ड्रन
का
शुड.
मीनिंग क्या होता है सुनैना? एंड taught का मीनिंग?
मैम taught मैंने पढ़ाना, learn मैंने सीखना.
So how can you say taught? Taught is the second form for teach, right? So learn करना means you're getting that knowledge, you're getting that skill. जो students करते हैं, I learn English every day. But taught means to give knowledge or training. जो teachers कर रहे हैं, she teaches English.
Got it now.
यहाँ तो receive knowledge और give knowledge की बात हो रही है. learn में आप knowledge ले रहे हो, teach में आप knowledge दे रहे हो, you're giving it.
Okay.
So please sentence को पूरा read करो. Yes, Jyoti.
मैम प्रैक्टिकल स्किल्स को आपने क्या बताया था अभी?
Yes, somebody please help her out. Practical skills को क्या बोलते हैं हम?
Valuable.
Life skills, hands-on ability. Yes, there are different.
Real life.
Yes. Now please change the next statement. Technology has changed the way people communicate.
Ma'am, modern
one by one, please. टेक्नोलॉजी, जस्ट हेल्प मी आउट विद टेक्नोलॉजी. क्या सिनोनिम यूज कर सकते हैं टेक्नोलॉजी के लिए? सिर्फ ये बताओ.
डिजिटल टेक्नोलॉजी.
आप मॉडर्न टेक्नोलॉजी बोलो, टेक्नोलॉजिकल एडवांसमेंट. अब हैव को लीव करो. लुक फॉर द चेंज. चेंज को क्या बोल सकते हैं? The way
Tailored.
people communicate.
Methods of
people
interpersonal
with respect
communication.
Style. Mode of
How
communication.
The way
medium
of
of communication.
Path of
communicate तो
communication.
interactions भी बोल
Mode of
सकते हैं, the way of the people.
communication.
Sakshi,
Change the
I want your
traditional way
answer.
of
Path
communication.
of people communication.
Sakshi, I want you to answer.
Yeah,
Digital
mode of
technology, yeah,
Yes, sir.
modern has changed the way of people communicate.
Has changed the way people communicate or changed the way individuals talk or how they interact with one another. Yes, Vaishali?
Yes, ma'am. So modern technology has transferred the way people communicate,
Not transferred, it's transformed. ट्रांसफर
transformed,
करना
okay.
तो आप एक चीज को
हाँ,
दूसरी जगह,
transform
हाँ
the way of people communicate.
हाँ, तो इसकी जगह आप क्या कर सकते हो अगर मैं आपको बोलूं कि आपको इसको भी रिप्लेस करना है, द वे पीपल कम्युनिकेट, हाउ विल यू चेंज दिस?
Individuals communicate, yeah, individual interact.
Ma'am, can we say modern technology has altered the medium of social engagement?
Sorry, altered the
Medium of social engagement,
medium of social interaction?
interaction or engagement.
Yes, you can. Even you can say the human communication. You can also say the people interaction, human interaction, people
Ma'am,
exchange information, interpersonal communication. Yes. Who said, ma'am?
ma'am, I say that modern technology has enhanced the way of individual communication.
Grammatically wrong है संदीप, errors देखो. Yes, Jena.
Ma'am,
can you please
advanced
translate?
technology.
When Jena is speaking, why the other people are speaking at the back? Why don't you get this, guys? You're actually interrupting her flow. Let her speak first. Yes, please.
Modern technology has evolved the method of communication.
Yes, exactly. Correct. Yes, Gaurav.
Modern innovations have completely transformed how individuals connect and interact with one another.
Yes. So communicate means basically how you're interacting, how you're connecting. And when it comes to technology, you're talking about the advanced technology or the digital innovation. Yes, Kushal?
Advancements of technology has altered the way of individuals' conversation.
Yes, exactly.
Can I use conversations, ma'am?
Yes, conversation is only about the communicating part.
Yes, ma'am.
Your meaning should be same. You can change the vocab, but it should be same. Okay? Okay, now one more for you. Okay, who is now? Shehnaz. Shehnaz is already raising the hand.
Ma'am, modern technology has
No,
evolved
not
a
same.
style.
इसके बहुत सारे answers आ गए. अब नहीं साक्षी. No. Wait, let me give you another one.
मैम वे की जगह पर स्टाइल का यूज कर सकते हैं स्टाइल
आंसर बताओ
Modern technology has evolved the style of our people conversation.
Style of people's conversation.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, it is correct. But थोड़ा सा इन वाले वर्ड से अपग्रेड करने की कोशिश करो. Now
Okay,
try
ma'am.
this, Shehnaz. Pollution is a serious problem in many cities. Do you agree or disagree?
Yes, ma'am.
Synonym replace करो.
Yes.
Yes, raise your hand who wants to speak for this. Pollution को क्या बोल सकते हैं? Yes, Saruchi.
pollution is a critical issue in several cities.
but if I want you to talk about pollution in a different way, pollution को क्या बोल सकते हैं?
Environmental concern.
Environmental contamination.
You can even say
Pollution.
environmental
Environment.
pollution. Collocation पे आ जाया करो जब आपको लगता है कि that you cannot find, because it's really difficult to think about कि pollution को और क्या बोलते हैं. So just start adding collocation. Environmental pollution, environmental
carbon emission बोल सकते
contamination.
हैं?
Sorry?
कार्बन इमिशन
आप बताओ कार्बन emission का meaning क्या होता है? Do you know the meaning?
उत्सर्जन होता है।
मैम वो फ्यूल वगैरह के लिए शायद आता है।
So carbon emission is only from gases, dear.
Okay.
तो आप एक पार्ट पर आ गए. Pollution includes everything. किसी भी चीज से pollution हो रहा. But carbon emission means you are actually talking about the gases. That carbon dioxide which is released from like vehicles, factory.
Okay. Ma'am, we can
मतलब
say
मैम ये फ्यूल वगैरह के लिए यूज होता है।
हाँ, so you're talking about अब pollution तो noise pollution भी है ना? Pollution is a broader term.
Atmosphere.
Just wait, let first person finish. Pollution का मतलब क्या होता है? It is water pollution also, air pollution also, noise pollution also,
Yes,
land
ma'am.
pollution also. So अगर आप सिर्फ carbon emission की बात करोगे, it will be restricted to only gases, air pollution, right?
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Yes.
मैम एनवायरमेंटल डिग्रेडेशन लिख सकते हैं?
Yes, 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 exactly. Okay, who wants to give answer? Yes, Kushal.
Environmental contamination is a serious complication in many metropolitan cities.
Or is a serious concern in many urban areas, metropolitan cities. Now pollution है, हमने pollution का क्या करा? We added a
environmental pollution.
yes. Now when it comes to talking about a serious problem, so
Major
serious
issue.
problem, a critical
Major
issue,
Major issue.
significant issue, right?
Relevant
Or
issue.
it's a growing concern.
Critical concern.
Many cities around the world. Number of
Serious challenges.
modern cities, right? तो आप कुछ भी use कर सकते हो. Metropolitan areas, any of your choice. But you should use it in the correct way. Remember this thing. Wrong way में करा तो answer गया. Next, people should exercise regularly to stay healthy. Now you know कि people को हम replace कैसे करेंगे? Yes, Manish, I want answer from you. Infinix Smart 6 आपने chat box में एक आंसर लिखा है. Environmental pollution is create serious challenge in many city. Is create नहीं होता. That's wrong.
We can
It's a serious challenge in many cities हो सकता है. Okay, people should exercise regularly to stay healthy. Yes, Manish.
regular physical activity is essential for maintaining a healthy work life.
Regular activity के बाद आपने कुछ
Like regular physical activity is essential for maintaining a
is
healthy work
essential.
life.
You said is essential
Yes.
to maintain a
Healthy work life.
healthy
Yeah,
work,
style.
healthy life.
Work life.
Because if you're talking about only work, तो आप specific हो गए, है ना?
Yeah,
Okay.
lifestyle also.
Now people should exercise regularly to stay healthy. You can use any word for people. That's your choice. Should exercise. Should means you're actually advising that person. It's not mandatory. जब हम must बोलते हैं तो वो mandatory हो जाता है. Should is advisable. Exercising regularly. Exercise regularly means to engage in that physical activity. Regularly means consistently. To stay healthy means in order to remain fit or to maintain a healthy lifestyle, to improve the overall well-being. You can use any of your choice. Yes, Sakshi, bolo.
Can we use
Ma'am,
auto
workout
instead of shift?
consistency.
That is what I said. Regularly means consistently. Yes, Gaurav.
Can we use ought to instead of should?
Yes, you can. Advise to, ought to, it is used for should only. Okay. Yes, Sakshi,
Madam,
bolo.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, what was that
significant.
word? Should and
Ought to, ought to.
or to. Okay.
Okay, ma'am, I have a question.
Yes,
We
Rukhsana.
we can replace only modal verb if there are like should we replace with ought to. We
No, it's
cannot
not mandatory. It's not
replace
mandatory. You
advice.
can keep it the same, Rukhsana.
Okay,
You can
ma'am,
keep
we
it
can
the
use
same.
here advice.
Yes, that is what
People
I
are
said. I gave you an option of advice also. Because ought to means should only. It's an advice. That's what I said. Should ka matlab, it's an advice. It's not mandatory. Yes, Sunena, I want answer from you. Sakshi, please lower down your hand now. Yes,
Ma'am,
Sunena.
it is widely believed that regular physical activities help individuals to stay fit.
Yes, correct. So stay healthy means you're maintaining a good, healthy lifestyle.
मैम
Regularly means, yes,
मैम इससे पॉजिटिव भी बोल सकते हैं
stay
Positive ही है.
positive. आप बताओ आपको exercise in the end you are saying physically healthy
यस
बोलो ना.
ओके ओके
हाँ. Okay, next one. Yes. Internet helps students gain information quickly.
Ma'am, the widespread use of internet enhance scholars gain more information more quickly.
Now, what I can say for quickly? Rapidly.
Yes, ma'am.
Gaining information means accessing the information, instant access to a vast amount of information. Students, you can keep the students as students or you can just add a learners to it.
Yes, ma'am.
Pupils.
Helping means, yes, pupils also. Helping means it's actually assisting them.
Support.
Yes.
Supporting.
So gain information means acquire knowledge, acquire information, assess information rapidly, quickly, instantly. Okay.
In span of time.
Sorry.
Instead of quickly, can we use in span of time?
Span of time. Are you saying in span of time? Is it?
Yes, ma'am.
What is the meaning of span of time? Batao.
In a very less time.
कुछ समय के अंदर.
In span of time, it's basically that during that time.
Okay.
ठीक है, तो ये हम time period के लिए use करते हैं. When we say within a span of 1 month, within a span of 2 months, it's basically the duration, the length. So that is what you are using in a wrong context. Quickly का मतलब क्या होता है?
Instant, rapid.
Easily.
Quickly का मतलब क्या होता है? It's very fast, speedily, swiftly. Yeah.
Immediate action.
At a fast pace, we can say. But अगर आप span of time बोल रहे हो, you are talking about the length, the duration of that thing.
Ma'am, I have a doubt in this. Quickly, without changing the meaning, acquire information within a time limit. Just
within a time limit?
But, yes.
Why we have to write within a time limit? Now, this statement says internet helps students gain information quickly. The internet enables learner to access information rapidly. That's it. Okay.
Okay.
Next one. Many people. Yes, Anam. Batao. Many people prefer public transport nowadays. Yes, Anam.
People prefer public transport.
Hmm.
Nowadays, a large number of the peoples prefer to public transport.
Large number of the people नहीं होता Anam. Please articles पे work करो. Large number of people.
People.
Public.
Can I try this once?
Yes, Kushal.
Numerous individuals inclined towards government transports in this contemporary era.
Yes. You can even say public transport है. You cannot think about उस time कि अरे क्या add करें. You can add public transportation system.
Government transport.
Yes, that is also correct. ठीक है, तो public transportation in the modern era, a large number of people favor public transport system.
Ma'am, can we use
Wrong use करने से better है keep it the same. You can change the other part.
Okay.
Yes.
Incline towards instead of prefer. I can use right now.
Yes,
We can try it.
Kushal, you can use. Incline basically means they're likely to prefer that thing. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, somebody was speaking, the other guy. Yes, please.
Yeah, like nowadays we can replace with in recent year. Like in recent year, public
These
transport has
days,
become
yes. These days, recent days, you can use it.
like in recent year, public transport has become a popular choice among many people.
Yes, among many people. Public transportation is becoming more popular in modern society. You're talking about these days. Am I audible to all of you?
Now we are audible.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
There's a power glitch. Okay, now this one. Some employees work from home these days. So some employees means I'm talking about some. It's not confirmed. It's not many. It's not few. Certain.
Certain workers.
Yes.
Certain laborers.
As I told you, you're not allowed कि ये नहीं कि आपको हर एक word change करना है. You can keep employees as employees only. It's not. Synonym replacement doesn't mean that you need to do word to word. That is what we sound robotic over there. Okay. So you can change work from home. What is work from home? It's
remote setup.
Work remotely.
Remote working. Working remotely. Yes. Flexible working environment. Yes, please. Any answers? I want answer from Ashita. Where are you? Ashita, are you working? Are you on a work?
Ma'am, please work from home के again बता दें आपने क्या क्या.
She's not replying. Yes, Aryan. Aryan, I want answer from you.
Ma'am, certain
Yes, Ashita,
employees,
you can write your answer here, no problem. Yes, Aryan.
certain employees work remotely nowadays.
Certain employees work remotely nowadays. Yes. What about others? So employees के लिए आप professional use करो, staff member use करो, employees भी रख सकते हो.
Can I try this, ma'am?
Yes, Prem.
Certain laborers work from remote areas these days.
Certain
Laborers.
laborers. Can you write the
ma'am.
spelling in the chat box?
Labor
Okay.
means basically
Labor, he said.
Yeah.
Certain
Laborer.
laborers. What are laborers? You know the meaning?
Laborers means to hard workers.
Physical activity person.
Physical work.
Who only do the physical and the manual
No.
work.
No, ma'am, daily.
Laborers are the people who only do the physical or the manual work. It can relate to that, but it's not only the employees. Okay. Why you're going for so complicated one? Workers ही बोल लो तो भी चलेगा, right? That is where you people lack from 7, because you actually go for some unnatural words, right?
Yes.
Okay, next one. Online shopping is becoming popular, more popular. So online shopping, पहले मुझे online shopping बताओ. Yes, what is online shopping?
Virtual shopping.
Yes.
Window shopping.
Not only window shopping.
What window shopping?
Online
I think
purchasing.
It's in e-commerce, e-shopping, virtual shopping is becoming more popular. More popular means, what is the meaning of more
Emerging.
popular?
Famous.
Widely
Famous.
preferred. Yes,
Widely
more
preferred.
common. In simple term, it is more common. Becoming more common means it's increasingly becoming popular. It's growing actually. So you can use any word of your choice. ठीक है? E-commerce is gaining popularity among consumers in modern society. Purchasing products through online platforms has become a widespread trend worldwide. I'm just adding a little idea to it. It's up to you. आप कैसे भी कर सकते हो, but it should be, even online shopping is internet based shopping, right?
yes.
Digital shopping platforms, e-commerce, आप कुछ भी बोल सकते हो. Okay.
मैम एक क्वेश्चन है.
Yes.
जैसे अभी आपने स्टेटमेंट को थोड़ा इनहेंस किया, मीन डेवलप किया. क्या हम पैराफ्रेजिंग के दौरान भी उसको डेवलप कर सकते हैं? मतलब मीनिंग वही रहे बट कुछ वर्ड्स.
रुखसाना, ये सब हम करेंगे. अभी हम सिर्फ अपने बिगनर लेवल पे हैं, तो वेट फॉर मी टू इंट्रोड्यूस द इंट्रोडक्शन पार्ट. इंट्रोडक्शन में अगर 4 या 5 सेंटेंस लिखनी है ना, वो मैं आपसे यहीं पर लिखवाऊंगी. आई विल नॉट गिव यू एज अ होमवर्क की इंट्रोडक्शन घर जाके लिखना. तो आप खुद ही लिखोगे वो 4-5 स्टेटमेंट जो भी हमें इंट्रो में लिखने हैं. सो जस्ट वेट फॉर फ्यू डेज. अभी इसमें प्रो हो जाओ, वो भी आ जाएगा आपको. ओके. जब आपको आइडिया एक्सटेंड करना सिखाया तो वो ऐसे में लिखना कैसे है वो भी आई विल टीच यू.
ओके, थैंक यू गुंडू. थैंक्स.
नो वरीज. सो आई होप यू ऑल गॉट एन आइडिया कि हम सिनोनिम्स को कैसे रिप्लेस करेंगे. यस. जल्दी से फीडबैक दो, किसको आया है सिनोनिम रिप्लेसमेंट? हु ऑल नो? यस सुनैना, इट्स करेक्ट. आई गॉट ओनली 1 thumbs up. एक ही को आया है क्या? दोबारा सेशन कराना पड़ेगा?
आई थिंक आपका वॉइस बीच में ब्रेक हो गया था.
Okay, I'm
That's
really
why.
sorry. I'm asking that, did you all learn about what is synonym replacement and paraphrasing?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am.
So in
Now it
tomorrow's
becomes very
session,
clear.
we will be covering the another way to do the paraphrasing, which will be, I guess, active, passive, or complex sentences. I will look what is in the session, but definitely another way to do the paraphrasing. Because you should know, because you have to write the variety of sentence structure in your essay to show an examiner that yes, you have a varied range. Because ये बहुत जरूरी है when it comes to lexical resources and grammatical range and accuracy. Okay. Now किसी को कोई भी डाउट है, कोई क्वेरी है तो प्लीज लेट मी नो.
मैम मैं ये से पूछना चाह रही हूँ कि आप राइटिंग टास्क 2 में करवा रहे हो?
Yes, this is what writing task 2 is going on. We are at the beginning of writing task 2. अभी मैं आपको बेसिक्स करा रही हूँ कि आपको सेंटेंसेस लिखने कैसे हैं.
ओके मैम, एक्चुअली मैं न्यू पूछ रही हूँ.
Yes, Urmila, I saw your name today. So, Urmila, as you are a new student, I just want to tell you one thing. Please practice
Yeah.
from the application. आज राइटिंग की आपको सिर्फ इतनी प्रैक्टिस करनी है कि कोई भी ऐसे का टॉपिक, जो भी क्वेश्चन है, आपको सिर्फ और सिर्फ क्वेश्चन को पैराफ्रेज करना है विद सिनोनिम रिप्लेसमेंट. ओनली दिस थिंग. कल जब हम एक्टिव पैसिव करेंगे तो आपको उसमें एक्टिव पैसिव भी अप्लाई करना है। जब हम कॉम्प्लेक्स सेंटेंसेस करेंगे तब आपको नेक्स्ट स्टेप करने हैं। अभी आज आपको सिर्फ और सिर्फ सिनोनिम रिप्लेसमेंट करना है। यू वांट टू ट्राई 5 स्टेटमेंट, आप 5 करो। यू वांट टू ट्राई 10 स्टेटमेंट, आप 10 करो। स्पीकिंग मॉड्यूल हम ऑलरेडी कवर कर चुके हैं, तो यू नो दैट पीपल प्लीज, आर यू डूइंग 1 टेस्ट एवरी डे? यस गाइस?
Yes, ma'am.
यस प्लीज। ऐसा नहीं करना दैट वी आर इनटू द राइटिंग मॉड्यूल और आप लोग स्पीकिंग ना करो। स्पीकिंग आपको रेगुलरली करनी है, एटलीस्ट 1 टेस्ट एवरी डे। ओके, नाउ वन मोर थिंग, किसी का भी एग्जाम लाइक आई गॉट 2 स्टूडेंट्स जिनका एग्जाम 23rd of May को है। प्लीज ट्राई द बेबी कोड वीजा सर्विसेज। यू कैन जस्ट ड्रॉप योर क्वेरी, दे विल गिव यू अ लिस्ट ऑफ ऑप्शंस। आपको कहाँ पे, कौन सी कंट्री में, कौन से कोर्सेज के लिए अप्लाई करना चाहिए, दे विल हेल्प यू आउट। एंड न्यू स्टूडेंट्स, प्लीज डू नॉट forget to click on the remind me button for all of your next classes. जब भी 9 o'clock class start होगी, you will get a notification and you will join your class. Okay? And please share it with your friends and family जिनको भी classes join करनी है। अभी तो writing का basic चल रहा है, अगर वो timely join कर लेंगे, they will be on track with us। पूरा writing module complete हो जाएगा साथ में। Okay? Yes, please.
Okay, thank
No worries. Yes, Gaurav, there is a option in the shop section of IELTS writing by the teacher. One time essay, yes, definitely. The charges is for one time, but एक benefit है कि आप अपना पूरा task 1 और task 2 दोनों upload कर सकते हो। तो that means आपको पूरे writing task का score मिलता है उसमें। Okay? And I try to evaluate my students' essay personally. Okay, those who are learning from me, so I try to check them personally. Yes, Ashita?
मैम फीडबैक लाइक कैसे देते हैं जो सबमिट करते हैं?
There will be corrections. जो भी आपने hand written लिखा है उस पे सारी corrections होगी, that which statement is incorrect, what you need to write instead of it. So everything will be underlined and then a better version of it will be written over that. Even if it's a detailed correction, I do it personally.
Okay.
Okay, so you can just try writing test by the teacher. आप कर सकते हो। Whenever I see my students' name, I feel so happy that yes, they have put some efforts. So let me just try it. Okay.
Yes. Thank you.
No worries. Yes, Sani, I know you are new to the session. Please follow the guidelines. Okay. Yes, Ikra.
मैम वो जो मैंने मेंबरशिप बाय की है, तो उसमें स्पीकिंग का जो मैं टेस्ट दे रही हूँ उसमें मुझे इश्यू जो आ रहा है वो इसमें क्यू कार्ड में आ रहा है।
क्यू कार्ड में आई नो कि आपको आ रहा होगा, इट्स नॉट अकॉर्डिंग टू द कंटेंट, है ना, नॉट रेलेवेंट आंसर करके कुछ।
जी मैम, इस तरह आता है कि आपका
इकरा
आंसर
उसका स्क्रीनशॉट लो और सपोर्ट सेक्शन में उसे सबमिट करो, ठीक है?
ओके, थैंक यू मैम।
नो वरीज।
इसके अलावा मैम जो स्पीकिंग टेस्ट हम बुक करते हैं स्लॉट वगैरह, वो मैंने किया था, लेकिन उसकी पेमेंट कहाँ से करनी है?
जब आप उसे बुक करोगे तो वो पेमेंट के लिए भी लेकर जाएगा। फॉलो द इंस्ट्रक्शंस, जितनी भी जो भी इंस्ट्रक्शंस आ रही हैं उसमें।
मैम उसमें जब हम स्लॉट को क्लिक करते हैं ना, सिलेक्ट करते हैं, तो वो कहते हैं क्या यानी कि इस डेट को आपका सक्सेसफुल हो गया, लेकिन पेमेंट का उस पर आता ही नहीं ऑप्शन।
बिना पेमेंट के कैसे होगा?
इस तरह होता है कि बस आपका डेट
वनीता की हेल्प ले लो, वनीता का कल टेस्ट है, वनीता आपको हेल्प करेगी।
ओके मैम, अभी मैं क्यू कार्ड पे थोड़ा काम कर लूँ, उसके बाद मैंने बुक करना है।
डेफिनेटली। अभी आप पहले प्रैक्टिस करो। Once you feel like that you're good with all the parts of the speaking, part 1, part 2, part 3, then
जी मैम, मैंने जितने भी टेस्ट किए मैं 6.5 पे अभी तक स्टक हूँ, इस वजह से थोड़ा।
हाँ, तो try for 7, aim for 7। जब लगे कि 7 आ गया, बुक कर दो टेस्ट।
ओके मैम, थैंक यू।
मैम का क्या बताया, वापस बताना, इसमें करना है क्लिक?
यस उर्मिला।
वो एक्चुअली अभी बताया ना किसी ने कि क्यू कार्ड में दिक्कत आती है, तो उसमें क्या बताया था आपने?
नथिंग, दिक्कत ऐसा कुछ नहीं है। इट्स कि सम पीपल दे आर गेटिंग अ फीडबैक, क्यू कार्ड का उसको रिस्पॉन्स नहीं मिल रहा, द फीडबैक नहीं मिल रहा, दैट्स इट।
ओके
ओके, यस। एनीबॉडी एल्स वुड
Ma'am,
लाइक टू
yes,
आस्क?
I'm also facing the same problem in the Q cards.
So that's what Sunaina I mentioned already. The same query you have, you can just drop it to the support section कि आपको ये difficulty होगी। Okay?
Okay. You have to click the screenshot or just write down the.
No, just put a screenshot. जो भी आपको आ रहा है feedback क्यू कार्ड से उसका screenshot लो और support section में submit करो. That's it.
Fine.
Yes. Okay. Anybody else? कोई query?
Hello,
No?
ma'am.
Yes, Aryan.
I want to say something, ma'am.
Yes, Aryan?
Today, one of my friends was attending your lecture with me, and he's currently very happy, and he wants to join your lectures.
Oh, thank you so much. Where is he? What's his name?
Yes, hi, ma'am. Hello, ma'am.
Hello. Okay, you both are attending together, not
Yeah,
from the
ma'am.
different devices.
Yeah,
So,
ma'am.
what's your name?
And my name is Akash, ma'am.
So, Akash, please join from your own device so that you can participate here. Otherwise,
Yeah,
I'm
ma'am.
not able to get that Aryan is speaking or you are speaking.
Yeah, ma'am. Actually, ma'am, from the next day, ma'am, I will join, ma'am, from my device,
Yes,
ma'am.
definitely. Download the application, have the subscription. It's a very nominal charge, and then be regular on the classes. Okay?
Yeah, ma'am. I will be, ma'am.
No
It
worries.
was nice, ma'am. It was nice
Thank
meeting
you
with you,
so
ma'am.
much. Thank you so much. And
Yeah,
guys, please, you can even share your feedbacks on the videos which are uploaded on the YouTube and even on the application. Okay? It also gives us the motivation to do the best so that we
Okay,
can
ma'am.
bring out the best for you. Okay?
Okay, ma'am. Sure.
Okay. See you tomorrow. Bye-bye. Take care, all of you.
Bye, ma'am. Bye.
Bye.